Good afternoon, everybody. I would like to thank the organizing committee to have given me this opportunity to present in the conference. My talk today is to enlighten about knowledge management, the role of digitized libraries. Knowledge management, to identify, create, represent, distribute, and enable adoptions of insights and experiences. Knowledge management today can be seen an organization trying to leverage the knowledge internally with the organizations and externally with the customers and stakeholders. This knowledge management enables the organization a competitive edge with the market. The idea is to create knowledge sharing environment. By sharing knowledge is power, not as opposed old saying knowledge is power. The role of librarian is enabled to share the knowledge through internet, other ways of web-based applications. Such insights and experiences comprise knowledge either embodied in individuals or embedded in organizations' practice or processing. There are some major comparisons of knowledge economy with traditional economy. Knowledge economy is abundant because we are sharing the knowledge. Knowledge economy those days was in scarcity. Information knowledge multiples by through knowledge sharing through internet and other medias. Resource duplicates when it is used. That is called traditional economy. Virtual knowledge managements. We are accessing knowledge through 24/7, but it was localized when unrestricted the time. It is value-added services nowadays, but it is product services as those days. Knowledge economy challenges globalization. Globalization is reaching out to all the sectors. Information paradox. What necessary information we have to provide an organization needs, then overloading the information or clogging by it. In human capital, an organization needs skilled human capital, which is the greatest asset to an organization. This knowledge management fundamental process of activity to enrich this skilled human capital with their relevant knowledge. Organizational alignment. Steps should be taken to the organizational culture among the employees. Role of digitizing the library. Information technology in the digitizing library. There are various activities of libraries taking place. The social impact and influences of digitization has increased rapidly in the fast-moving world. The internet and online are currently in high public attention era and define today's popular perceptions in educational technology. E-learning and e-books is the searchable versions in the computer that enhance the knowledge management task in the digital era. The role of librarian of knowledge management through information technology applied in various activities, that is library automations and other services. The present organization's core competitions is to digitize their collections in the institutional repositories. See, the knowledge management plays a vital role in e-learning services. E-learning, it helps the students generally designed to guide the students through information technology to help the students to perform specific tasks. There is no special skills to be learned. It's a performance-based task. If the students is expected to increase proficiency, e-learning can provide major benefits to the individual as well as the organizations. Certain major important benefits include improved performance. Improved performance, a 12-year meta-analysis, data analysis, research by US Department of Education found higher education students in online learning generally performed better than those who are learning face-to-face courses. Increased access. The instructors who was highest caliber can share the knowledge across the borders, allowing the students to go and study with their political, economic boundaries. The recognized experts have the opportunity of making available information internationally at the minimum cost. Some of them are freely available. For example, MIT Open Courseware program that has made substantial portion of that university curriculum lectures are available at free of cost. Convenience and flexibility to learners. In many contexts, e-learning is self-paced and learning lessons are available into 24/7. Learners are not bound to the learning section specific day or it is they attend to class. They can also pursue learning at their own convenience. The information technology has reduced the cost of learning by shrinking the time and distance. That is e-learning through net-based educations. There are various audio, video, media is been there. So video conferencing, we can talk to each other centers without going to their place. There are models for developing for learning materials. To e-learning, for that we have to develop the 4 models for that to develop the learning materials. That is the 4 basic steps: gathering information and developing materials, evaluating materials and producing materials. This further develop into 9 steps, says by the Dick and Carey in the book called The Online Learning Handbook, Developing the Web-Based Used Learning by Alan Jolfie. He is further developed into 18 steps, that is called web-based developing materials. Each step, the basic 18 steps consist in the design, development and implementation and evaluation of the web-based learning materials have been outlined. Each step is depend upon many others. All 18 steps are main input of the e-learning. This shows the complete entire system of e-learning materials. One can study through web-based learning. This is important for the development of learning materials. This is the model for the development of web-based learning material. Some of the specialized libraries have renamed. See, talking with specific reference to the Design Institute, the libraries have emerged: knowledge management, that is NIFT library, NIFT, that is National Institute of Fashion Technology, that's called the library called National Resource Center. The same way NID, National Institute of Design at Ahmedabad, called National Knowledge Center, the library called Knowledge Management Center, PAF Library, PAF Library and Resource Center. We have Pearl Academy of Fashion. Pearl Academy of Fashions have automated the online services in their campus and providing digitized the digitization project, digitized and other many more services being providing by the online. Some of the recommendations I have. The rare book materials also should have the copyright facility, and scanning the rare materials and digitize for the future reference, and emphasis on information e-based learning to provide the best services of knowledge seekers. That e-learning shorted e-learning packages may be provided to these students. Online referencing and or library users for distance learning students will be easy for referencing the e-learning services. Knowledge management conclude. Knowledge management is value-added services for customer satisfactions. Digitized library add value to the products. To win the customer satisfactions, knowledge management is very important factors for the libraries. As drivers of our knowledge, we should focus on emphasizing exhaustive resources to knowledge seekers. Our learners are not bound to time and place. Gone are the days when we imposed library users and restrictions. We are the digital world when our users could be unlimited, and we could focus on expanding our users base through digital mode to enhance user satisfaction. A regular feedback system is always very important to get the improvement of value for the inputs of the digitizations and other library models. Thank you. With this, I conclude the conclusions.